Upgrade your new home construction with a correctly designed solar panel system to lower electric bills and increase resilience. Start by sizing the system to match typical household usage and local net metering rules. Using prior year utility bills or a realistic hourly usage estimate to calculate average daily kilowatt hours, and then add a margin for future load growth. Choose between rooftop mounting and ground-mounted arrays based on roof orientation, slope, structural load capacity, and available yard space. And remember that ground mounts allow optimal tilt and easier maintenance. Use module-level power electronics, such as microinverters or power optimizers, when partial shading, complex roof geometry, or future panel-level monitoring is expected. These devices improve energy harvest and simplify troubleshooting. Plan for battery storage if backup during outages or time of use cost shifting is a priority, sizing the battery by desired hours of autonomy and considering depth of discharge and round-trip efficiency. Verify roof structural capacity with an engineer for rooftop arrays, accounting for wind and snow loads and the added dead load from panels and racking. Coordinate conduit runs, inverter location, and future expansion space with the electrician and builder early, so the electrical service. Meter placement and conduit pathways are correct before finishes are installed. Secure permits and interconnection agreements in advance and use a site shading analysis from sunrise to sunset across seasons to place arrays for maximum year-round yield. 3 common mistakes are undersizing the system, which leaves homeowners dependent on the grid, so recalculate realistic loads and oversize modestly for foreseeable appliance additions or electric vehicle charging. Second, ignoring shading or poor panel placement, which reduces output, so perform a horizon and object shading check and prefer string layouts with module-level electronics when shading cannot be avoided. Third, neglecting structural and electrical planning, which causes costly retrofits, so involve an engineer and licensed electrician early, pre-install conduits and dedicated service capacity, and document roof penetrations and racking attachment points for inspections. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and get practical installation guidance related to solar upgrades during new construction. Our site connects contractors with work opportunities and supports a discussion community where we and other users share real-world tips and project experiences.